Are you excited?
Yes!
Are you excited?
Yes! That!
Tim, are you excited?
That! That!
Pababa. Pababa naman. Is it there? You don't know where to go. Hindi ko alam. Baka hindi dito. Mukhang bago dito eh. Baka dun.
Apple!
Wahir! Gagala na po. Ang Tim Kumiya.
Again! Again!
Oh, watch your step. Watch your step. Watch your step. Your water gun is in the car.
It's only there.
Yes.
Iniwan natin.
Hindi.
Why?
Because we need to check in first. Say hi.
Bye.
Hi, Tim.
Huh?
Hi.
Hi, Bubu.
Hi. Hi ka dun. Hi ka. Hello po. Uy, 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 uy. Ano ba yan, Tim? Ayun na, si Daddy. Umipirma na ng bayarin. Chismoso Kids. Oh, si Chismoso 1 and Chismoso 2. Open mo, open. Open it. Yeah, you need to push. Okay. Wala dyan. Wala kayong makikita dyan. Dito. Hold each other, please. Ayun na! Team O! Up, 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 up! Wow!
So you go down that stairs and go inside this room.
Yes. Then we're gonna go to the beach. And then the pool. And then...
Mommy, I haven't.
Dito yata yung playground. Let's see. We're here at Canyon Cove.
Wow.
Hmm?
I think hill.
Hanapin natin. Oh, kasi, bakit ka lumapit dyan sa Bougainvillea? Mahapdi yan sa ano. We're here. Asan na yung playground? Tinanggal na yata. Ayun! Ito na! Hooray! Team, ayun na oh. Ayun na.
Mga bitin mabuhay.
Ayan na ang playground.
Yung mga
What?
bitin mabuhay. Can we just go down there?
Mamaya na. Hintayin natin si Daddy pa eh. Dami pa pala eh.
This is not the beach. This is the pool. Why is there sand there?
Hindi, para pag nahulog ka sa playground, di ka masasaktan. Ah! Thank you, Daddy. Ang aming tagabayad.
Let's go. Check na.
Achoo! Okay, excuse me. Saan? Daddy went here already. Ano? May jet ski, oh. Tsaka inflatable. Oh. May crystal kayak din.
Go.
Let's go.
Laki ng pool pa. Oh.
Let's go. Are you
Pwede
ready
na
to swim?
mag-picture muna.
Yeah!
Picture na muna tayo.
Ha?
Picture na muna tayo.
Ang Ginit. Summer na. Init. Welcome to Canyon Cafe. Bilis naman maglakad ng dalawa. Merong ayaw magpaawat. Sino kaya ang ayaw magpaawat? Pwede. Pwede suot. Sand naman yan eh.
Can I hold it?
You have to wear your slippers. Go. Ang ganda. May turtle team oh. Tsaka,
Ayaw!
hindi kaya mainit.
Hindi na.
This is mine.
Go inside.
I can't do it.
Then, you can 1, 2, 3, go!
Uy! How about Kuya Trey? I did not see. Can you try it again?
I'm not slipping. Okay.
You're too big na ata. Doon sa straight lang para slide ka talaga.
Kuya, tama. Sabay kayo dali.
Daddy,
Hey!
here,
Set!
go.
Hey, ang bilis naman. Ang bilis ah.
Naman, sablo naman, sablo naman, sablo!
Ako dito. Ay, natin na. Natin magka-dito.
Dito ka. Para pagbaba niya ng kita. Here, go!
Uy!
Let's go na.
You like it? You like it? Ah, time to go home.
Yeah.
Hindi, uwi na tayo eh.
No.
Ayaw mo pa umuwi?
I don't want.
Uwi na kami. Ayaw mo pa? Yeah. Let's go, let's go.
Mama.
We're going to our room. Let's see our room.
Ano yan, team? Tabi, team! Doon ka na, team! Ay, naka-timer na ba to? Paano to, mami?
Yeah. We're going inside. Hello. Oh, parang nanibago yung paningin ko dito ah. Kukunin natin yung gamit pala. Ay, get your food. Get yung mga food. Up, 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 up. Get this. Can you get my other bag? Hala, ang dami nating gamit.
My water gun.
Rest daw ha. Wah, may pindot ah. Oh, ayun. Dito sa kabila. Where's our thing? Tayo sa fourth floor.
Yeah.
Ano kayong view ng room natin?
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Room. What's the room number?
Dito, tapos
Doon sa labas.
tawin ko dito. 415 yan eh.
Doon sa kabila. Wait, 4-4, ano ba? 4-2? 4-2 pala. Mali. 4-2-A. Dito ba yun? 4-2-A. 428. Dito kami. Tap mo dun. Saan man sinushoot? Yay! This is the room. Wow! Two beds. Tapos may extra bed. Tapos sila, oh. Ang ganda. Ganda ng view. Oh.
Open mo na lang yan.
Oh. Wow! Kasi may moist. Wow! Ganda ng view.
I can see. Oh, there's water. Oh, I can see the jet skis. Oh,
Wow,
the
this is
dragon.
our view.
Yeah, boy! And there's a dragon in the water. It's
Yes.
gonna bite your foot.
Tingnan natin ang CR.
There's actually no.
Here at the beach. Ganda ng post ni Kuya.
Ah, dito tidy.
Yeah, dali swim.
Go! Oh, galing mami oh. Mami. Aba, aba, aba. Aba, aba. Aba, aba. Ang lupit. Wow. Galing ah. Very good. Ready, let's race, let's race. Let's race, let's race. Habang dating sa ano, sa kabilang pa. Ready? Let's go.
Mama, Kelly.
Huwag na hawak yung chinelas ko yan. Let's go. Ano? Tumas na ba?
Collect all your toys. It's okay. It's okay. We will dry it first. Dry muna natin.
Maganda yan kayo.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
What do you like most? Sorry. I ruined it. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Looks like it's like the devil versus God.
Why?
This is the devil's side and that's God's side. And then that's God's angels trying to fight the devil's angels.
Let's rock. Ito. Palit ako ng bago.
Oh, sige.
Dalawa pa rin naman eh.
Ito yan. Ito yan naman, okay?
You can still play in the playground. There's kuya, oh. Oh, sit ka dun. Oh.
No, it means day one.
Yeah, it's day 1 here at Canyon Cove, and Trey said he had so much fun.
Yeah, but I'm still going back to the beach.
We're still going back to the beach after dinner.
Yeah. Mom, I want to go there.
Okay. We're gonna go to the playground. Still want to play in the playground. No running, please.
Ewa!
This is called the Playland pala.
Eyo!
Hey, yo. Oh.
Eyo ko, langgo daw. Look now.
It's smooth na.
Look, mommy, look.
Whee!
Go down.
Kasi basa yung damit mo?
Lalabas pa.
Hindi, no? Hindi ako na lumabas. Diyan na tayo kumain.
Up.
Oh, go na. Whee! Why are you so bagal? Go, go, go! Go! Bulaga! We're walking to the grill station para mag-dinner.
Towel.
Bakit?
Kasi once a day lang daw ang towel.
Hmm?
Sinaulog ko pa. Ay, di wala tayong towel. Hindi, mag-ilang mo ako naman daw sa room.
Ay di yun sa room na lang tayo magtatawid. Ganda ng view, oh. Yun, oh. Doon ako sa Korean. Samgyup.
Ano tayo dito?
Ha?
Five down.
Kakain tayo. Mag-i-eat tayo.
Mama, pag andun na tayo, uuwi tayo dito?
Oh, babalik tayo doon sa playground mo. Gusto mo ba? Okay. Parang new building to. Wala pang laman. Oo, ginagawa pa ata. Ito, there's a Japanese and Korean food options. Japanese and Korean food option. Dito tayo, love. Tingnan natin. Anong pagkain, dad?
Ano yan?
Mami,
Asan si Trey? Tingnan natin kung anong tinda dito. Ano ang paninda? Oh. Dapat dito tayo kanina.
the whole canyon. Not the whole.
Wait lang. Wait the doggy.
Anak, baka matapon, ha?
Wala ulam.
Oh, yan.
My nam-nam.
Oh, pray mo na, pray.
This is for the food that people that show in it. Amen.
Tapos siya.
Amen. Ketchup. Yeah, that's ketchup.
Ay, mahirap kaya dito.
go, Team Team. Let's go, Tam. Bye. Nangyari sa swimming pool?
Nagyubog ako.
Naglubog ka?
Ayun.
Pero nag-swimming ka?
Yeah.
Hindi ka
Ito.
Oh, going down. Oh, tapos dito galing next.
Praying ka na, Tam?
You slice it, Tam. Di ba kumuha ng ano? Ito, ng sardinas.
Apa?
Yeah, there's Spanish sardines.
May panguli.
You want to swim na?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sige.
I want my powder from.
Oh, where are your floaters? Ready, go. Humuhulogin sa crab. Paano niya na-discover yun? Yung pagtalon?
Mami, look.
Kamusta naman ang experience mo dati dito sa Canyon Pool?
Okay, okay.
Run away.
What are you gonna say?
We're going home.
You don't want to go home yet? It's time for us to go home. Bye, Canyon ko.
Mommy, why don't we just buy a 10 days, a 10 million thousand days,
You want to stay here for 10 days?
10 million. Just kidding.